So if you saw the service job on this Midland 3001, it's one that Alan, our mystery benefactor, kindly passed on to me. And we'll see whether Mr. Chippie is out there. Midland 3001. I've not got that camera placed in the right place, so how are we going to show this? Bring it forwards, I think. No. A bit of jiggery pokery moving the camera, and let's see whether Mr. Chippie is out there. Tango 21 test.
Yep, Tango 21 working of sorts, a bit noisy.
Oh right, I ought to monitor myself. Is it the mic, I wonder?
Yeah, can hardly hear you. Either there's something wrong with the mic or you're not plugged into the aerial.
Right, well, let's have a listen. Testing 1 2 1 2 1 2. Oh, it's doing full power. I don't know what's happening there.
You actually sound fine there. Have you squeezed the mic a bit? I think you might have a noisy mic switch.
Yes, it's original mic, so that's something I'll be aware of. I've got the service all here actually, which I borrowed off your bench. Okay, so I've got I'm going to plug into the extension speaker and I'll be ready.
Yeah, it is switching the mic. Scottish.
Okay, roger on that. Well, I'll take it apart whilst while we're on the job.
Yeah, Roger, are you ready to go there?
Yeah, roger on that. I'm ready to go.
Right, we're passing the house on recording.
Roger on that, and I'm dismantling the mic as we speak. I've got a tone control on this radio.
Now, you Norman collie, you're going to have to deal with that.
I've got a tone control on this radio.
Yeah, well, while we go up to the end of the road and you test your tone control, you need to sort that mic out.
Right, so I've demonstrated that, and now I'll spray the mic.
Roger, coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
We're now passing Ancaster service station 152.9 and 155.9. If you said anything at that point, I didn't hear it.
I'll swap mics as a temporary measure.
Roger. Right, we're now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you going round the Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, loud and clear.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, loud and clear. I'm on
On the Midland 3001 from 1982 and it's doing 3.95 watts over.
Yep, roger that, all received.
Excellent.
Crossing, over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing. I wonder if Rossby Road will be open today.
We'll find out.
Roger.
Passing the Kelby turn, over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Grayleys turn and Rossby Drove is still closed.
Okay, we'll do what we did yesterday then, Roger.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're just square wheeled for the level crossing. Only got about 20 yards for me to pull in to where I'd be talking to you anyway.
Okay, Roger. Well, we're at the
Tango 21 for Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5.5 makeshift position. So I'm on the Midland 3001 from 1982, doing 3.95 watts, drawing 900 milliamps. It doesn't have low power, so this is all we get. Tango 21 over.
Yep, roger that. That was all received loud and clear.
Roger that, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, out going over, Rossby level crossing, over. Yep, unleaded 155.7 and diesel 159.9.
Roger on that then, well, that's the conclusion of the test, thank you. 10-10.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
21 from Mr. Chippie, then over, Rossby level crossing, over.
Roger, got you going over raw speed level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today, please, over?
Yep, unleaded 155.7 and diesel 159.9.
That's roger on that then. Well, that's the conclusion of the test, thank you. 10-10.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
Okay, well that worked fine apart from the microphone, which we'll look into tomorrow. That's why we do these tests, because that problem didn't show up on the equipment. So we'll go over to our base station and we'll see what it sounds like on the standard replacement mic. I'm just wondering if it's the plug end, which I wanted to redo anyway. Tango 21, testing the Midland 3001 with a standard replacement microphone into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And tomorrow I think we're going to be working on some sets for another dealer who, they've all been turned into illegal 80 channel modifications. They've all had to come back, and I think he's struggling with some of them, so we'll have a look at those. So thank you for watching. Hope you found that interesting. It's always nice to see a Midland Precision Series set.